In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can create custom grid line in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word. Click on it under the best match. Now click on the blank document. Then from here, we just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and we can find the layout tab. Click on that. And here we can find the option align. Click on this drop down and here we can choose this option grid settings. Okay, so you can find here the grid settings, so you can simply for horizontal spacing and vertical spacing you can increase this to the desired size that you want. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay, now let us go with this one and then we need to click on OK and then click on align again, and here we can find this option view grid lines. Click on that and that's it. Okay, that's how you can create a custom grid line in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.